Open bites can be corrected without jaw surgery in just a matter of 1 month. Your healthy teeth are not drilled down to little pegs. Most patients don't even need a shot. This is what makes the facelift dentistry method much safer and more predictable than any other method. During my 43-year career, I've experienced the surgeries, teeth drilled down, years of braces that are risky and may not work. No braces, no surgery, no aligners, no shots, no drilling down healthy teeth. The untouched and the unaltered photographs clearly documenting open bites and how the open bite is corrected demonstrate the reality and the quality and the enormous cosmetic benefits of the facelift dentistry method. These patients have smiles. They are able to chew more effectively, more efficiently. They have TMJ pain relief. They've avoided a double jaw surgery, and they did it in a month. Click on the link below. Send us some pictures, some video of yourself, your son, your daughter, and let's get started. My name is Dr. Sam Muslin. I've invented the facelift dentistry method.